Namaste. Today we are going to talk about the Sat-chid-ananda Breath. Sat-chid-ananda is a well-known concept, idea in Sanatan Dharma, in Hindu philosophy. Sat, truth, chid, awareness, anand, bliss. So to be in the state of Sat-chid-anand, Sat-chid-anand, in a way exemplifies the highest state that one can be at. The experience of Ananda as truth, the awareness of Ananda as truth. So effectively that means to be in a blissful state. And to be in this blissful state, even your breath can help you. There are many paths, there are many ways that go there. But the breath is probably among the easiest or the most effective, powerful ways to get there. I call it the Sat-chid-ananda Breath because there are three channels that I call the Brahma, Vishnu and Mahesh channel that carry breath or energy from the sahasrara to the muladhara. This is counterintuitive. This is not something that classical literature or classical systems talk about, and they must have their reasons for that. What I'm talking about is from my own experience, and which I have helped others experience as well. So it's not as if it's based only on my one person's experience, because I teach breathwork sessions and classes to groups of people, and I've shared these techniques with them, and they have experienced also, and they've also seen how by getting these three channels to work simultaneously, they are able to access ananda, states of bliss. Sometimes you might think of them as a dry orgasm, brain orgasm, whole body orgasm, which is what ananda is. Remember, in the classical systems, in the traditional systems, to be on the spiritual path, one had to practice a brahmacharya. Practicing a brahmacharya or being a celibate is important because it helps conserve your semen, which is an extremely important part of your energy system that helps you access bliss. You can leak it, you can waste it, you can lose it, and then the experience of ananda becomes difficult. But if you conserve it, if you increase it, if you channel it up the spine, ananda becomes much more easily accessible. And the more you are able to access it, the more you're able to reach it, the more quickly it becomes available to you. The more often you can access it, and then of course it's a virtuous cycle. To access this state of bliss, you need to work on all your three Brahma, Vishnu, Mahesh channels. So I think of the central channel that runs from the sahasrara down towards the muladhara as the Vishnu channel. The one that runs from the muladhara up along the spine, I think of it as the Mahesh or the Shiva channel. And the one that runs along the front, I think of this as the Brahma channel. So when all these three channels are able to connect through the chakras, reach down all the way to the genitals and the muladhara, certain kind of energies start responding there. Basically your kundalini energy, it starts responding. And then based on how you are able to access and use and channel this energy, you are able to raise the energy up the spine, conserve your fluids and access ananda states easily. Sat-chid-ananda Breath is something that anyone can learn. It takes a little while, and I'll be very glad to teach you if you're interested. If you watch the video, if you read the articles, please join, connect with me and explore your Sat-chid-ananda Breath so that you're able to access Ananda far, far more easily than you would have imagined. Thank you. Have a beautiful day.